Here we are connecting to the ePad headbox with the ePad tablet. It's now connected. Click on Proceed. Now it's measuring impedance. It's not possible for anybody to continue forward. You have to wait until the impedances are all measured. The values are displayed here if you've got that set up. Let's go to SSEPs and begin. This tablet's set up so that it will acquire 5 averages and create a grand average from those 5 and display that as a baseline. And 5. There's the baseline appearing for each limb, each of the 4 limbs. Just going to make a small change to the software. Pause. Making a change to the simulation software so that it will have a increased latency. Starting now with an increased latency. I've done that on the left arm. And you can see that the waveform, this is the active waveform, this is the baseline. The active waveform, being the maroon color, is slightly later than the baseline recording. And the software has detected it as such. Look at the figure screen, which is looking at the same data in a simpler fashion, and you can see that the latency for all the other limbs is fine. The lower limbs have got a slightly longer latency than the upper limbs. 24.6 was the original latency for both of the 2 sides, or 24.7. Now it's detecting it as 27.2, and if you do the difference between that, that's greater than a 10% change. So that says that that is an alarm condition. Let's go back to the waveforms so you can see them. I'll just turn off the auditory alarms. And let's look at the history. The history allows you to look at the various values, and you can see on the here, here, and here, in all cases, for the right leg, left leg, and right arm, the latencies are all around 0% change from the baseline. The left arm is not so clear, but you can see that it is just a bit further up the scale, so it's beyond 10, at least initially. Let me just go back to the SSEP screen, which is the waveforms. The alarm is still happening, and the waveforms are still too long for the alarm condition and too long relative to the baseline.